Now, we would want to thank everybody who has come through. As Zimpapers, we have taken a deliberate approach in terms of trying to conscientize people, educate people about cancer. Cancer, it's now one of the major killers in Zimbabwe. So therefore, we need to take our role as media and educate people, inform people. What do people need to do to deal with this scourge which has taken over Zimbabwe? But for those who have come through, thank you very much for waking up, I suppose at 5, to be here at 6. To our sponsors, thank you very much. Next year, hopefully we'll make it bigger and better. I thank you.